Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. The November election is inching closer, and while Republicans and Democrats are in a close race for the White House, Newslink Indiana's Kevin O'Connor explores how one Indiana county features Republicans facing off against a different party.
Okay, do you know any of the Libertarian candidates?
No.
You know anything about the Libertarian Party?
Not really.
Wayne County may get to know more about the party, as it is one of only 2 counties in east central Indiana with Libertarians on the ballot. There are 5 this year, and as November approaches, the party is hoping it can raise awareness.
Getting your foot in the door is the hardest thing.
The Libertarians say people here in Wayne County have had too few choices when it comes to local elections. They feel there's room for one more party. So what is the Libertarian Party all about?
The government is in our lives too much.
It takes money to run a government. The Libertarian Party believes that. It does take money, but it doesn't take near as much as they're spending.
The Libertarians agree that high property taxes is the biggest issue in Wayne County. They say property taxes have doubled in each of the last 2 years, which is why people are now looking for an alternative.
People are just fed up. People have gone along with what their parents have voted for, what their grandparents have voted for so long, and now they're just getting tired of it.
Bell says his party is at a monetary disadvantage because it can't pay for as much advertising as the opposition. And while a win may not be in the future, members of this political party remain optimistic.
You know, you may not get elected, but you still can change things.
In Richmond, Kevin O'Connor, Newslink, Indiana.
Libertarian Vice Presidential candidate Richard Campagna will be in Fountain City tomorrow for the Levi Coffin Festival. Volunteers help improve lives daily in Delaware County. That's the message 28 agencies wanted to get out at the 4th annual United Way Day of Caring. Rebuilding Together of Delaware County re-roofed a home on Galvin Street. Dirk Smith took a day off to help.
Whenever we're helping someone else, we're benefiting them, and that just turns around, benefits the whole community, which then turns around, benefits us. It's a good feeling.
Volunteers from other agencies pulled weeds, patched walls, and made care packages. Well, now here's Brian Smith with a look at our forecast. Brian.
We had a beautiful evening here across east central Indiana. Tonight we'll drop down to a low of 51 degrees with blustery conditions. And for our 5-day planner, high of 77 tomorrow and 78 coming in on Sunday and lower 80s early next week.
Thanks, Brian. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tomorrow morning for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.